Many beginning woodworkers feel overwhelmed with the vast array of tools available on the market. It's easy for you to rack up thousands of dollars worth of expensive woodworking tools in your shop. Most tools for beginner woodworkers don't have to be elaborate and costly, though. Beginners' woodworking tools should start with the basics so you can get the feel of simplicity that's the core of great work. There are 5 classes of basic woodworking tools. Those are tools to cut, finish, assemble, measure, and hold wooden parts while transforming raw materials into completed projects. These tool groups cover everything a starting woodworker needs for building simple to complex items. To help prioritize what should go in your basic toolbox, here's 7 best new woodworking tools and accessories that you should consider buying. Hello, and welcome to part 3 of this awesome and interesting series of the best woodworking tools and accessories that you must have on Amazon. The links to all woodworking tools and accessories that we have listed in this video are in the description below. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because we have saved the most interesting tools at the end of the video. But before we get started, don't forget to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified about the next best woodworking tools, accessories, machines, and more. First on our list that you must have in woodworking is a Dremel rotary tool, including the 3000, 4000, and 8000 series models. Then you can turn the tool into a grout remover by adding the Dremel Rotary Tool Grout Removal Attachment 568-01. This is a 2-piece kit that includes a guide with a 30-degree angle. Attached to your rotary tool, it helps keep your tool steady and on target. You also get the Dremel 1 16th-inch carbide grout removal bit, which is a good size for removing grout on both vertical and horizontal surfaces. If you have thicker grout lines, you can purchase the 1/8-inch bit separately. However, the attachment works best for stretches of grout that are flat. It's a bit tricky if you need to work around corners, tight edges, or oddly shaped areas. But if you need to remove grout on a stretch of countertop, tub, or shower surround, or kitchen backsplash, then this tool can make your task much easier. It is available on Amazon for around $22. If you're getting started with scrolling projects, shop around for a basic scroll saw that will give you all the essential features while skipping the pricier add-ons you aren't likely to use. Try this another Dremel tool. The Dremel MS-2001 Moto-Saw is a compact scroll saw that is perfect for woodwork hobbyists and more light-duty scroll saw users thanks to its versatility and easy operation. This Dremel has variable speed settings that let you easily control the saw's cutting motion, and it offers surprisingly quiet operation, which many people appreciate when using it for home crafts. The Dremel Moto-Saw only uses pin blades, which are easier and quicker to change than pinless blades. However, they limit the types of cuts you can do and are better for simpler projects. One other thing to know about this entry-level scroll saw is that it lacks a miter gauge or rip fence, but these can be purchased as add-ons through the manufacturer if desired. A bonus of the Dremel Moto-Saw is that it can be used in handheld mode, making it a go-anywhere coping saw. You can have this saw kit for around $115 on Amazon. The Ridgid R2401 is a great router for detailed yet lightweight tasks such as cutting trim, cutting edges, making grooves, or similar tasks. This is a fixed base router with a 5.5 ampere, 1.5 horsepower motor, and a 1/4-inch collet chuck. The variable speed ranges from 20,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. It comes with both a round and a square base for extra versatility. Like larger, more expensive routers, this one has a soft start function for better control, a micro-adjust dial for precise depth settings, a built-in work light, and a spindle lock to make changing the bits easy. It can make cuts up to 1 to 7/16 inches deep. Although this is not a large, powerful router that can handle heavy-duty jobs or lengthy work sessions, it's a great choice if you are looking for a small router for equally small or lightweight carpentry or woodworking tasks. You can have this amazing trim router on Amazon for around $105. If you like this content so far, click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't to help this channel grow. A well-made hammer feels good in your hands, and there's a reason ESTWING has been a favorite manufacturer of hammers for decades. They know how to build a hammer just right. The E316C is a curved claw, 16-ounce hammer forged from one piece of polished solid steel. The handle is wrapped in a cushion of non-slip grip material that minimizes vibration and helps you hold on even if your hands get sweaty. And it's perfectly balanced for a smooth, easy swing that drives your nail home without excessive effort. At 16 ounces, the hammer is heavy enough for a reasonably powerful swing, but not so heavy that it's likely to tire you out. It has a smooth face, which is less likely to mar surfaces should you miss the nail. The curved claws are just right for pulling nails back out of walls or wood. The hammer even has a rust-resistant coating to keep it in prime condition for years of use around your home, garage, or worksite. This is an ideal all-purpose hammer for just about any handy person, as well as people who like to have a collection of quality tools on hand whenever they're needed. Get it on Amazon for around $25. Next, there's no need to spend a bundle if you just want a simple toolbox to hold a small collection of basic tools. You need a lightweight box to carry fishing tackle or organize craft supplies, or you're looking for a box to hold an emergency tool kit for the car. The Plano Grab & Go 16-inch toolbox is bargain priced, but it still offers a good amount of storage space and options. The box is made of impact-resistant plastic and includes a lift-out tray plus a clear plastic organizer with 12 compartments that also lifts out. It has a sturdy handle, hinges, and latches. This is no flimsy, cheap box that will crack or dent with regular use. The box measures 7.5 inches high, 9.5 inches deep, and 16 inches long. So this isn't a box that's going to hold a large collection of tools, but it's just right for a collection of household essentials, including your hammer, tape measure, screwdrivers, level, wrench, and pliers. You can get this toolbox on Amazon for around $12. Moving on, the Milescraft 4000 and 1 3-inch Faceclamp is a popular option if you need a clamp that is specially intended for use with pocket hole joinery, which is basically screwing wood pieces together on an angle. It's a technique used frequently when building cabinets or similar pieces. Of course, the clamp can also be used for any other clamping purpose. This face clamp from Milescraft has round, oversized clamp pads that apply evenly distributed pressure and thumb screws that make it easy to adjust the clamp. The clamp has a 3-inch throat and opens far enough to clamp materials up to 2.75 inches in thickness. It provides up to 300 pounds of clamping force. You can have this tool for about $17 on Amazon. For our top must-have for today, we have King Arthur's Universal Carving Set. But what's special about it? Well, many woodworkers use angle grinders to sand down their creations, but you shouldn't use a standard grinder for this type of application. Instead, it's best to get a tool specially designed for use on wood, such as the King Arthur's Tools 1-amp 2-inch corded mini angle grinder Merlin 2 carving set. While more expensive than some other options, this set comes with everything you need to create intricate details and smooth finishes on wood surfaces, as well as most other non-metal materials including plastic, rubber, fiberglass, and bone. The mini angle grinder uses just 1 amp of power, saving you energy, and the kit comes with 6 accessories, including coarse, medium, and fine sanding discs. Additionally, the grinder has a high-capacity fan and air vents that allow it to stay cool and be used for longer woodworking sessions. You can get this on Amazon for around $287. As a thank you for being a devoted viewer and subscriber, I would like to give you a gift of several woodworking plans. Simply click on the link at the description below and enter your email to receive and download the plans. If you missed any video episodes of our series, click on the playlist videos on the left side of the screen to enjoy watching the rest. If you like our content so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.